We'll be looking into GPP card, see what's going on here. First of all, we do trade with COT data, which is commitment of CFTC, COT, Commission of Traders Report. It turns out in the last 6-7 weeks, GBP has been going bearish. So how do we sell this pair? Currently, we are here. So we're going to have to go back and look for an institutional trading levels, which a new one on the daily charts. I could see one here based on this week and an engulfing. So what do we do? And I could see one here again. Well, this has been taken out, so it's not valid. You have to look for a new one. Get Fibonacci. There, usually I want 38%. If price breaks this level and 50%, I'll classify it as not valid. Delete that. You go back to our 4 hours time frame. There we go. As you can see, price even pushed up there. I believe the banks managed to manipulate some people thinking it's a buy, and suddenly it melted down. So what do we do again? We could see two institutional candles. I'll classify this as one of them because it's very strong, not much wicks. This, not really. So what do we do again? So we keep this area as a point of contact. If price comes all the way here, looking at price action, we execute a trade. Also looking at this area as well. I like this area, even though I don't really fancy it, but here we go, another one here. So we'll be looking at selling buyers. And we drop down to H1. As we can see, the trend is going bearish, right? What formation do we see here? I don't do all them M formation, W formation. No, we look at the candles and we take what we see. If price right now nothing is happening, if price managed to come all the way up here and show some rejections, we take a trade. Another way to know where market is going is by all these are datas. That's what you have to know in 4 hours time frame. All these are datas. So another way to do it is we have our recent, well, this candle is not closed yet, so we will ignore it. We have our current price here, and we have our highest body here, and also the wick. So right now, let me delete this. So right now, what do we do with this? What do we do? We get our block. We get our wick. There. We delete this. And we take the price at the close of the candle and take this here. What do we see? We have a doji. We have a doji candle at this area. So we'll be looking at, so right now you could actually place a trade. There, I believe there. We'll be looking at 3-to-1 risk-to-1 ratio. So for every $1 we pull or £1 we pull, we're able to lose 3. We're able to gain 3, sorry. There we go. I get greedy sometimes, so let's make it 4. It looks nice. And that is our while we place a trade, and we'll let you run for the week, see what happens.